The Crescent Hotel's grand ballroom shimmered like a jewel under the golden glow of a dozen crystal chandeliers, their light refracting across polished marble floors. The air was thick with the scent of roses, expensive cologne, and the faint metallic tang of ambition. Men in tailored tuxedos and women in glittering gowns swirled through the space, their laughter and murmured conversations blending into a symphony of privilege. Waiters moved like ghosts, balancing trays of champagne flutes and delicate hors d'oeuvres, their presence barely acknowledged by the elite they served. At the edge of this opulent scene stood Maya Ellison, her hands trembling slightly as she adjusted the crisp white apron tied over her black maid's uniform. Her dark hair was pulled into a tight bun, not a strand out of place, and her eyes, deep brown and guarded, scanned the room for empty glasses or discarded napkins. At 25, Maya had perfected the art of invisibility, a skill honed over 2 years of working at the Crescent. Be efficient, be silent, blend into the background. That was how she survived. Tonight, though, blending in felt harder than usual. The Gala was the event of the season, a charity fundraiser attended by the city's wealthiest and most influential. Senators, CEOs, and socialites mingled, their conversations a delicate dance of power and flattery. Maya felt the weight of their world pressing against her, a reminder of the chasm between her life and theirs. She was here to clean up their messes, to wipe away their spills and carry away their empty plates, all while her own dreams, of a better life for her younger brother, of stability for her ailing mother, remained buried under the grind of survival. She shifted her weight, her worn black flats pinching her feet, and moved toward a table littered with half-empty glasses. Her hands worked quickly, stacking them with practiced precision, her movements designed to draw no attention. But attention found her anyway. "Oh, darling, do be careful," came a voice, smooth and sharp as a blade. Maya froze, her fingers tightening around a glass. Vanessa Carlton, a socialite whose face graced the society pages as often as her barbed comments graced these events, stood a few feet away, her red lips curled into a mocking smile. Her clique, 3 women in designer gowns, their diamonds catching the light, tittered behind her, their eyes raking over Maya's plain uniform. Vanessa tilted her head, her blonde curls cascading over one shoulder. "You wouldn't want to ruin that charming little outfit with your clumsiness, would you?" Maya's cheeks burned, the heat creeping up her neck. She kept her gaze fixed on the table, her jaw tight. She'd heard worse in her time here, snide remarks about her job, her worn shoes, the way she didn't belong. Vanessa's words were just another cut, but they stung all the same. "Excuse me, ma'am," Maya murmured, her voice low and steady, as she turned to move away. She didn't have the luxury.